ultrasonic, evaporate, hydraulic, hydroelectric, combustible, treatise, dissertation, thesis, methodology, theoretical, theological, terminology, inherently, intrinsically, estrangement, acclaim, deficit, incinerate, speculate, prorate, entice, eradicate, erratical, skeptical, administer, invariably, subsequent, subsequently, consequent, consequently, fauna, flora, assent, extensive, distinct, distinctive, immense, adapt, adopt, put forward, pose, propound, in favor of, acclimatize, rustic, rural, sustain, sustenance, evoke, arouse, provoke, tackle, aggravate, anthropology, paleontology, entomology, ornithology, municipal, insurmountable, obscure, opaque, perplexing, inhospitable, manifest, arguably, apparently, inadequate, friction, reticence, counterpart, surveillance, ambiguity, ambiguous, recession, ploy, locomotive, remunerate, redeem, reimburse, summit, whereabouts, fleet, intricate, initiate, initial, initiative, exploit, exploitation, appraisal, performance appraisal, afflict, extract, provision, peril, imminent, eminent, prominent, entail, endorse, conform, conception, refreshment, reconcile, thwart, coincide with, thereby, legitimate, subconscious, artifact, mass transit system, maternity leave, market share, child mortality, radio waves, radiation, radioactivity, confine, confinement, curriculum vitae, courtship ritual, grace period, power tool, financial metrics, extinct, particular, particulars, highland, extent, to a limited extent, to a large extent, govern, deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning, recognition, receive recognition, beyond all recognition, workforce, workforce, resemble, embark on, plot, retrenchment, reduction, dominant, predominant, obligation, oblivious, context, controversial, inextricably, excessive, fluctuate, breakthrough, compromise, cardiovascular, vein, heredity, hereditary, limb, autism, asthma, olfactory, innate, distorted, sentiment, revelation, disclosure, exposure, disputed, undisputed, concrete, considerable, considerate, trait, feature, property, attribute, lifelike, hospitality, prompt, commence, commencement, premiere, premiere, fume, surplus, solitary, probe, space probe, authentic, depict, portray, rodent, drastically, preference, outraged, outrageous, outrage, outbreak, infertile, probation, apprentice, alongside, undergo, largely, revise, tariff, plow, plow ahead with, squirt, insular, inconsistent, be rumored to, extraterrestrial, incongruity, incongruous, distressing, performance arts, relevant, irrelevant, strand, fairly, meticulously, superficially, opinion poll, flourish, thrive, pervasive, pervade, larva, sort, sort of, be held in esteem, pasture, undertake, undertaker, criterion, devise, an assortment of, rigorous, vigorous, inhibit, interfere, turn, thyroid, physiology, physiognomy, replicate, replica, courier, popularization, engage, be engaged in, indicative of, dyslexia, contingent, contingent expenses, contingent worker, subsidiary, longevity, leukemia, cartilage, cartridge, taste buds, distinction, alter, notable, reflect on, definitive, arise from, come to a halt, instance, comprise, scattered, drawback, drawback, deprived, endeavor, give rise to, prey on, tremendous, optical, optic, interpret, intact, lay, dispose, disposal, platypus, duckbill, veterinarian, poach, porch, perch, be likely to, methane, lead up to, unveil, render, obsolete, rectify, dwindle, micromanage, refrain, splutter, smear, smear campaign, outweigh, overtake, curtail, stumble, heighten, forage, forage grass, impose, budget proposal, incorporate, devastate, devastating, in the absence of, contaminate, brood, brood over, measure, measurement, sediment, sedimentation, acoustic, acoustic sense, acoustic modification, be lined with, charter, charter bus, the UN Charter, cropland, degraded land, carry out, carry on with, reluctant, agitated, poignant, infuriating, ailment, conservation, committed, commit, alternatively, accommodate, premises, premise, component, strained, sensible, readily, plausible, transit, discharge, germinate, inclination, incline, inclined, retract, retreat, ever increasing, ever present, ever shifting, cook to order, temporal lobe, mortal, forsake, fragment, fragmented, remedy, respondent, in terms of, in broad terms, setback, excavate, current concerns, salinity, be obsessed with, be obsessed by, observatory, seismological observatory, mural, omit, convention, national convention, conventional, assembly, conference, appliance, underline, underlying, water stress, dismissive of, dismissal, elusive, elude, induce, induction cooktop, prior to, call for, apparatus, sphere, atmosphere, stratosphere, upheaval, prosecute, prosecution, prosecutor, remnant, desertification, arithmetic, alienate, alienation, notoriety, culprit, insulate, insulation, insulating tape, insulated bottle, combat, arousal, outstanding fees, motif, salient, revert, convert, invert, terminal, terminal cancer, cutting edge, traumatic, pigment, a large proportion of, conceive, perceive, deceive, inferior, superior, reclaim, reclaimed land, reclaimed wood, liberal, conservative, collective, collective accomplishment, collide, collision, collider, physicist, physician, vicinity, tolerant, intolerant, substantial, commodity, lucrative, diagnosis, diagnose, craftsman, mediator, surveyor, diversity, diversify, diverse, executive, specimen, productivity, expertise, accusation, integrate, norm, delegate, delicate, entrust, exempt, mandatory, compulsory, parallel, unparalleled, solely, resolve, unresolved, assertive, assert, assertion, disperse, precipitation, scenic, camouflage, compatible, incompatible, outright, vibrant, unblemished, prevalent, prevail, prevailing, cumbersome, indulgent, self-indulgent, paradoxical, colossal, opulent, coarse, curse, startling, arbitrary, arbitrate, pledge, utter, evaluate, shareholder, stockholder, pharmaceutical, pharmacology, coverage, stabilize, archipelago, facilitate, toddler, polio, additive, subtractive, addictive, successive, novelist, nobelist, pesticide, mill, medicinal, medicinal properties, unforeseen, unanticipated, distasteful, dissent, assent, consent,